Janine, ikinaloka ang hindi pagsunod sa kontrata. Parusa, iginawad. Kaloka nga si Janine Gutierrez at nagkaroon siya ng punishment sa naging kontrata nilang magkakapatid at magkakasins. Kung saan, hindi siya nakapag-upload sa TikTok ng ilang araw kaya naman ang parusa ay magla-live siya ng 5 minutes sa kanyang Instagram account at 15 minutes naman sa kanyang TikTok account. Narito't ating panoorin ang napakagandang si Janine.
Yung allotment mo ng kung ilang Instagram or motivation for each other na talagang to keep you guys updated on social media, and I lost! So, last week, kulang ako ng 1 Instagram post. So, ibig sabihin, hi, Miss Antea. So, it means I have to do 5 minutes of Instagram live. So, if you miss 1 Instagram post, it means you have to do 5 minutes of Instagram live. Hi, Kuya! At least I'm a woman of my word. Hi, Ate JC. So, nag-set na ako ng timer for 5 minutes because yun nga yung kontrata namin. Literal, may kontrata kami. If you guys wanna see, I will show you our contract. It's a binding contract na may mga pirma, and it's here in my ref. There's me, Ricky May, Diego, Jessica, Max, Ara. So, hi, Ara. Hello, Catherine of Batang Quiapo. I did it, okay? I'm on live. So, hi guys, how are you? Oh, hey Nicole. Yeah, ayun, natalo ko. So, I don't really know what to do. But like, oh, hi Ricky May. Thanks for being proud of me. But after this, please join me on TikTok. Hey, Sophia. Hi, Je. This is so embarrassing. But, after this, I have to do 15 minutes on TikTok because I did not post any TikToks last week. Hi, Mimi J. Here's Punchy for all the viewers looking for Punchy. And, should we like... Oh, thank you. Yes, this is my new hair from Nicole. And I don't know what to do. Yes, Miss Antea, nakauwi na po ako. We went to the World Trade for the tindahan ni Aling Puring. Nag-meet and greet ako sa bench booth. So thank you so much to everyone who went to the bench booth to say hi and take photos. Hi, Ninong Reb. Punchy is not having it. And tomorrow, so I'm done now with work for today. I just have a Zoom later at 5 p.m. and then chill na. But
Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, nagkaroon nga kasi ng kasunduan sina Janine, ang kanyang mga kapatid at cousins nito kung kaya siya naging aktibo sa kanyang mga social media accounts kagaya na lang ng TikTok, Instagram, Facebook at YouTube na kailangan niyang palaging mag-upload ng mga videos rito. Mahiyain kasi si Nini kaya hindi niya ito malimit ginagawa. Pero dahil nga sa naging kasunduan nila, kaya napipilitang siya gawin ito at pag hindi nga niya nagawa ay may kaakibat na parusa. O diba, kaloka at game na game din naman si Janine. Kaya palaging tumutok at mag-abang sa mga maiinit pang kaganapan. Mga ka-scoop, anong inyong magiging reaction sa bidyong ito? Comment below.